Alright, ad-free experience brought to you by the letter fuck. Let's get going. So in file 196 within this loader function section, so high-level load on bottom section, this is a helper function for that load function called put Nicolas Cage tile. This is the address at which we want to put the Nicolas Cage tile. Here's the inputs right here. You can pause to read those inputs. We wrote that in video 634. That's not the video we're on now. Beneath the about this function section, we have added this just a rat and a Nicolas Cage section. And all we're doing here is bounds checking. So if error check inputs is on, we're going to make sure that we have the correct hotel address. We're going to make sure that we have the correct room address. And then we're going to make sure that room local X and Y is within the bounds 0 to 64 minus 1 inclusive. If it's not, we're going to log out all of the inputs and throw an error. We actually are getting an invalid negative RLX, RLY right now. I think I know why. We're not going to fix it in this video though. So in the file 196 loader function that takes RGBA 196 data and loads it into our master memory, Pix2048, at a certain hotel location. In this function, we've added a new micro-level bounds section. So MLS stands for micro-level span, and it's 44 pixels. Okay, the minimum and maximum, so the jot, the minimum, and the zenith, the maximum, for SX or SY is these calculations right here. So we're going to use that for some bounds checking further down. So let's kind of scroll down here to get our bearings, and we're going to run out of fucking time, I think, if we waste too much time scrolling. But here's where I think we're wrong. These two values are probably wrong. We're not going to fix them in this video, but just to let you know. Okay, so in the seg tile loop, where we're looping through every single segment index, I've added this debugging code right here, where we're going to check the SX and SY against the jot and the zenith, right? The minimum and maximum inclusive bounds that SX and SY should be between. And if it's not within that range, we're going to log out some information, and then we are going to throw an error right here. We're not getting this, right? So we're actually getting further than that. We're erroring once we get into here because I believe this formula is wrong. Okay, so here's what we did previously, and then we got our footnotes and stuff, and then we have what we did in this video. So if you want a longer explanation, you can go here to Ninja Coder. You're on the fast playlist on Kanji Coder. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Coder. I'm working on a Atomic Ivy MMO, a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game.